Good morning. It's Saturday morning. Feeling good, energized, rested. Just went out to the grocery store this morning. It's about 8:30. And guys, another thing I've been working on, I wanted to show you, is I've been doing the 100-day envelope challenge. Today is day 60 of the 100-day envelope challenge. So here I have day 35 through whatever I have here, because some of this I have changed in. But yep, I've been doing the 100-day challenge, envelope challenge. And today is day 60. Day 60 today. Yep, I've been doing the 100-day challenge. I'm on day 60. I don't see that. Get my $60. $60. This, seal it up. There you have it, day 60. And then I just take it and put it in the back. Then 61. But yeah, I've been doing pretty good so far. So my last day is March 10th. I started this December 1st. But I have this one here because this got a lot of change, and then the envelopes are getting too big because some of them have ones. These are the hash browns. They've been on about 8 minutes. Like mine crispy, so I'm gonna let them crisp up some more before I put my cheese on it.
It's too, to me, it's too big.
To me, it's too small. And guys, yes, you're inside of my fridge. I'm gonna use them over, they'll be brown on the bottom. So I'm gonna do this with one hand, folks. Sprinkle the cheese on there. And because everybody doesn't want jalapenos, I'll put mine in after I get mine. Or jalapenos. That's a story for another day.
Those are jalapenos? I thought they were jalapenos.
Jalaps. Yeah, that's a story for another day.
Oh, it's a J on it. I thought it was I thought they were jalapenos.
Let me know if you guys want to hear that story. Why we say jalapenos.
What is jalapeno? I need it first, y'all.
You want the rest of this cheese? Matter of fact, let me just pull it aside. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm not eating cheese, man. I'm not eating those one.
Oh,
you mean the one with cheese for the...
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Now cover it up, cut this down, well, actually off. Again, you cook yours to how you like it. Guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Just let the cheese melt and they're done. And I'll put my jalapenos on my plate as I eat them. Production is over here getting the eggs together. This is breakfast for dinner. Don't come for me. Yes, I see the egg on the counter. It'll be cleaned up in just a second. All right, guys, I think this is about done. You see it.
And there goes cheesy eggs.
All right, I'm going to put me some on a plate.
Fuck my grease up.
What'd you do to it? What happened? Guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Oh, okay. Give me some eggs. No. Oh, you're not ready yet?
No, I'm ready. Make me some more grits.
Oh. Oh, you didn't know. This is breakfast for dinner. Hash browns with jalapenos, some turkey bacon, some biscuits, and cheese eggs. Breakfast for dinner.